Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. Today we want to talk a little bit about switches on power tools.
Yeah, and what we're going to mainly talk about is safety involved with switches.
Yeah, there's got an old buffer that I recently purchased, and it's got an old external type light switch on that sometimes it comes on, sometimes it doesn't. And so decided to replace it. And I guess one of the options would be just to go back with an electrical box and put another light switch on it. But the correct way to approach it would be go to a safety switch.
And this is a good example of a safety switch. It's got, of course, your start, but you've got this huge paddle here. No matter where you hit it, it'll disconnect the power supply.
And the important thing is your start button is recessed in the switch, and so you can't turn it on accident. You have to make an effort to turn it on, and it's very easy to turn it off.
So there's some tips on making your equipment a little safer around the shop, because these are readily available and you can retrofit practically anything you have in your shop.
That's it this week on Shop Stop. We'll see you next time.